What's up? Time has finally come. S14 is gone. So, you know what that means. Time to put this S13 back in action. And first step is getting it out of the damn backyard and into the fucking garage again. And I got a couple dumb fucks helping me.
Hello.
Say hello. Oh, hello.
Hello, we found something.
So, goal is get this out there, double gate, down street, somehow in the driveway.
Is this the strap to pull it?
Yep, That's the shoelace strapperoni, that's all you get.
Yay! At least it's light.
Yeah.
I'll give it that.
I'll
We can probably just pick it up.
I was thinking, like, you know, even if we had to like pick it up and move the front over,
kidding.
like, it's not.
I'm probably not gonna be able to do this.
I think I already did it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Especially if if you go that way from the front of it,
Oh,
You know
well,
what I
yeah,
mean?
that's not a good way to pick it up, is it?
that go behind your legs. It's probably the best.
Let's see.
Yeah, plus it's kind of sharp, so.
Oh, my hips just popped. Nope.
All right.
Anyways,
and next up,
enough playing around.
Next up, there you go. It's got a solid grip there.
Strongman
Right.
competition
Okay.
over
Yep.
here.
That way.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah,
You
I mean,
got a little bit lift.
yeah. It's
Good
sharp
job.
under there.
A little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
It's sharp
All right,
under there.
so let's do this.
Let's quit.
As they drive away into the sunset, we've established that this is 2 JP,
One Jake, one Jack.
1 Jake, 1 Jeff.
2J power. 2J. Man's wants to put an LS in it,
Just
but
got it
his car's
back. It's already 2J. That's right.
Now, slow down a little bit.
You might want that momentum.
Hit that
Boy.
line.
Yeah, ramp that shit. You're not gonna make it. Oh yeah. This is where you probably could use me help. All right, right here is probably good, bro.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. You don't want to do?
Yeah, no, because I'm probably gonna wash it one time.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. It's been how many years?
Wheel chalk? Yes. All right.
Adam's car in your driveway.
We put Adam's shit in my driveway.
Can't say nothing about it being in your backyard anymore.
That's right. Now my neighbors are really gonna love it. They're like, oh, he finally got rid of that other car. Yeah, that's so good. Now it's another piece of shit in the driveway. Like, good luck.
Even worse.
Right? It's the same car. It's the same car.
It's the same car.
I just, you know.
Black cars, bro.
Dash needs a cover lay bad. Can't see it, even see it through there. Through here, you can though.
Is this the first unveiling of this to YouTube?
Pretty much. I mean, they've seen it probably in the background and shit, but I mean, yeah. No, this is the first go, bro.
What's your name for it? Do you
Fenders.
have a name for it?
Fuck no, not yet. Too soon.
That's fair. Too soon. How long you had this thing? Sorry.
What if that's the name? Too soon.
Too soon?
Just put it on the license plate.
I guess, is this your second too soon? So it'd be Too Soon Junior?
All right. Yeah, pretty much.
Too Soon Junior.
If you hit the 3, I don't know if it's on the 3 in the. Okay, yeah. It's fast now. I put a Verna's motor in it, so.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, you did get that done?
Yeah, I got the same one. So. Sweet.
Little clipski.
I can't see this all later.
This man's cleaning the coupe for the first time in, well, a while maybe, I guess.
Dude, years. Probably
Damn.
like 2 or 3 years.
Are we taking bets on Lefty comments?
On what?
Anthony posted a reel of us all street sliding at the last spot. I said, what are the bets that Lefty posts on that too in comments?
Oh, dude, I bet you he will. Yeah, man. He's, you know, what happens when you're internet famous, I guess.
I wouldn't know.
That's where I'm at.
How long you been making content for, Pilo? Like 4 years? 5 years? Something like
Probably, yeah. Probably.
that? It's crazy.
Yeah. My content's so all over the place though, so like I'll get people that will like follow me for like the truck say, you know what I mean? And then like down now I'm doing nothing but like electric dirt bike racer shit, you know what I mean? So it's
Yeah.
But then now back to the coupe. Hopefully I get back to like drifty boys and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Plus maybe being around you guys, maybe some of that'll rub off, you know?
I mean,
We'll be good motivators.
Oh boy, that's gross. Maybe I should spray some back. What the fuck is that? dead grass. Needs more burnout.
Clean it up a little bit.
These steers are like 15 years old, bro. Look at the camber wear on the inside and shit. Like, they've been through some stoof.
Doing great.
I'm just trying to
Still holding air, so
Right.
can't put it against them.
Yep. That's right. Probably should go around the other way. Oh,
At least you don't gotta worry about rusty rotors, bro.
yeah, right.
You're looking like Jesse.
You know what I came across a problem potentially when I was doing some research is that I want to do
What's that?
CPS-V front brakes on this.
Yeah, they're too big.
Not that they're too big. I don't think that's really an
Everybody
issue. They
says
said
they're
they
like-
fit an 18x9 plus 22, so I'm gonna have an 18x9 plus 20 and
But
put
it's
a
about the
fucking
face
1-inch
of the
spacer
wheel.
on that bitch.
Yeah, it all depends on the wheel. Like
Yeah,
My
the
wheel will
facing.
clear it, I'm pretty sure. Them damn wheels right there. They got pretty
Yeah, they should be.
high
They should be
disky.
alright.
Do
You
they?
know what I mean?
Mm.
So
There's some of these, right?
From what
Yeah,
I've
but
heard, though,
they're
is they're
just,
too much during
different.
left foot braking.
And what's up? It's been like a week. Car's in the garage. It's starting to become a workbench already. But I started working on this block. It's kind of hard to see because I got it in the shade since it's a million degrees in Florida. So got the crank in there. I purchased this crank secondhand. I believe it to be good. All the lobes look pretty smooth and polished. So we're gonna run it. And got new bearings in there. I'm at a point now where I got these main cap studs kind of in here, but I need to put these ones that go from the side here. And for whatever reason, I just feel like I need to put some sort of either RTV on those, or I kind of remember there being an O-ring. So I'm doing some research on that and just trying to figure out if there's an O-ring or not. So, as it does turn out, people do recommend to put some RTV underneath the heads of all these side bolts. As far as the torquing goes, what I did was basically it says torque them all to like 15, 16 pounds, whatever, in a spiral. So you kind of start here, boom, 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 just keep working your way around until you get back around to the 15s. Then you do the same thing. Then some people said to set the thrust bearing to knock the crank forward and back, although I saw another guy was saying to hold the crank forward, so I kind of knocked it back, knocked it forward with a piece of wood, knocked it back, knocked it forward, and then I knocked it forward and just kept it. Then I torqued down every single bolt to 60 foot-pounds. I know it says to do some shit like turn it 80 degrees, this, that, and the other, but I found a video of a guy who was literally bolt checking it after doing that, and he got like 60 pounds on everything, so that's what I did. And then the side bolts are 18 pounds. So yeah, that's that. We got a crank in here. I don't know if it spins. Oh yeah, it spins real good. Spins easy. Perfect. That's what you want. But yeah, for now, it's time to take a break because it's a little hot outside. I do have this gasket kit that I just opened for the first time in like 4 or 5 years, and I finally realized what's in it, and it just basically doesn't have everything that I even need to put this thing back together. I thought it was a complete engine gasket kit, but looks like it's just a set of head gaskets, like the top valley cover, intake manifold gaskets. It's got the steam vent breather. There's no like rear main seal, front main seal, none of that shit in here. Although I do guess they come on the cover, so. Some O-rings and stuff that I don't even know what they go to. So, probably injectors, because there's 8 of them. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.